Hey guys, welcome to Stuffbox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AWS free tier account as well as set a budget to ensure that you don't accidentally get charged when trying the free tier account. So first, go to aws.amazon.com. Then click Create a Free Account. Then enter your email address. Set a password. Confirm the password. Then enter an AWS account name. This could be whatever name you want it. Click Continue. Then select if it's professional or personal. The only difference between professional and personal is the company name on professional. On this trial, I'm just going to choose personal. Enter your name, your phone number, country, and the address details. Then scroll down and check the AWS customer agreement. And then after that, click the Create Account. In this section, you'll need to enter your credit card information. Your credit card is used to verify you, as well as charge your account if you accumulated some extra expense. On this video, I will show you how to create a budget as well, so you'll know to stop any instances should you end up getting charged a certain amount. Once you've entered your credit card information, click Verify and Add. On this section, you'll need to verify your phone number. You can choose to get a text message or a voice call. Then enter your cell phone number and enter the security check as well. Once you're done, click Send SMS. I'll enter my SMS code and then verify the code. And then we are done. Over here, you have three plan choices. There's a basic plan, developer plan, and business plan. On this lesson, we're only going to choose the basic plan. But if you already know which plan you want, you can choose the developer or business plan. On this page, this is optional, but I'm going to fill it out. Once you submitted that, you can click the Sign In to Console on the top right. Now we're ready to log in. Enter your root email address. Click Next, and then enter your password. Now that we're logged into our account, let's go set our budget. But before we do that, do me a favor and click the thumbs up button so I know that you're able to create your AWS free account. Once you've done that, now we can set our budget. Click on your root account name. Then select My Billing Dashboard. From here, you'll see your current budget, which we currently have nothing. So let's click on Budget. With creating a budget, we'll be able to create filters to specific AWS products or budget for the whole account. And we'll be able to set up email notifications so we get an email when we are almost at our budget. So click Create a Budget. So here we have four options. We want to use the cost budget, which we can set a budget for a specific AWS product or specific project. So select Cost Budget and then set your budget. Set a name for your budget. Put whatever name you want. I'm going to use Average Budget. You can set the monthly budget and recurring. You can also set this budget in the future. Then you can set the budget to fixed or different every month. I forgot to mention, you can also set a specific time for this budget. Then you can put the budget at a month. I'm just going to put $1 here. Why $1? This is just for me to know that I've actually exceeded my free trial. The key thing is you want to set your monthly budget a year from when you sign up with AWS, because that's when your credit card may get charged. Click Configure Alerts. Send alert base, you want to set it to actual cost. And then the alert threshold, we'll leave it at 80%. Under email contacts, put your email address there so you'll get the email notification when it reaches that threshold. You can also set a second email account if you want to. You can also turn on Notify Amazon SNS, which is way over our tutorial right now. So let's deselect that. And then now let's confirm budget. Oh, one more thing. We actually need to put the threshold there, which is 80%. And then now we can confirm budget. So here's the summary of our settings. The budget details. We're satisfied with that. So click Create. And that's it. We've set the budget and we've created an account as well in the beginning. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below and hit like. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.